I'd now like to show you a tool called the Vector Doctor. This is basically to sort out intersection points and loops within vectors. Here you can see I've drawn two vectors, and here you can see there's a little intersection there, and here you can see there's a loop on this triangle here. So I'm just going to show you how the Vector Doctor would sort this sort of problem out. So I'll select the Vector Doctor and I'll just move this into the center so you can see, and I'm going to select this vector. As you can see here, it's got two intersection points. If I just zoom in on it so you can see, click identify, there you can see it's got 2 points. The curve tolerance, if I set that to say 0.1 and then identify again, you can see the points have moved up. This is because the tolerance is not very tight. So if I set it to 0.001 and then identify, this is going to go straight onto these points because the tolerance is tight. So it automatically selects coincidence points and vector intersections to identify. If I click here, remove vector loops, and then just click fix problems, there you can see it's trimmed this off here and created two separate vectors. So if I now close this, it would just ask me if I want to keep the markers which are here and here. I'll just select no and zoom back out, and there we have two vectors, and it's sorted that out for me. Just zoom in on this problem here and click the Vector Doctor again. I'll keep the curve tolerance at 0.001 and select the vector and identify. Then you can see it's given me 1 point where there is a loop where it's just crossing, and I'll just select fix problems, and then it's just trimmed it off to there. Don't want to keep the current markers. Now we have two vectors that look fine.